Hey guys, today we're going to practice converting fractions to repeating decimals. What you should remember from your regular math class is if I want to convert 2/9 to a decimal, then I simply divide. The numerator goes inside, it becomes my dividend. The denominator becomes my divisor. And now I ask myself, how many times does 9 go into 2? Well, I can't count by 9 to get to 2, so that's 0. I'm out of numbers, so I add a decimal and bring it up. How many times does 9 go into 20? 2 times, because 2 times 9 is 18. And I subtract. I'm left with 2. 9 can't go into 2, so I grab a 0, bring it down. 9 goes into 20. Hey, I just did that. 9 goes into 20 2 times, because 9 times 2 is 18. This is an example of a repeating decimal because I could keep bringing down zeros over and over and over again for the rest of my life, and 9 is always going to go into 20 2 times. So 2/9 is equal to 0 2/10 repeating. Let's do another one. How about 3/11? Well, same thing. Top in, bottom out. Can I count by 11 and get to 3? No. Put up a 0. Grab a decimal and bring it up. Now that I have a decimal, I can add my 0. 11 goes into 30 2 times because 11 times 2 is 22. I'm left with 8. 11 can't go into 8, or I can't count by 11 to get to 8, so I'm going to grab another 0 and bring it down. 11 goes into 80 7 times because 7 times 11 is 77, and I'm left with 3. 11 can't go into 3, but I can grab another 0 and bring it down. 11 goes into 30 2 times, and I get 22. I'm left with 8. Hey, look what's happening again! If I bring down another 0, 11 goes into 80 7 times. That means this is going to keep repeating forever and ever. So 3/11 is equal to 0 27/100. Let's do one more. Is 1/8 an example of a repeating decimal? Let's divide it out and see. Can I count by 8 to get to 1? No. Grab a 0, bring up my decimal. 8 goes into 10 one time. 8 times 1 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. I can't count by 8 to get to 2, so I need to grab another 0 and bring it down. 8 goes into 20 2 times because 2 times 8 is 16. I'm left with 4. So far this isn't repeating. 8 doesn't go into 4, so I'm going to grab a 0 and bring it down. I can count by 8 5 times to get to 40. 8 times 5 is 40. And that leaves me with 0. When I have 0 at the bottom,